Today our video name of Islamic month. First, Muharramul Haram. Second, Safarul Muzaffar. Third, Rabiul Awwal. Fourth, Rabiul Thani. 5, Jamadil Awwal. 6, Jamadil Akhir. 7, Rajabul Murajjab. 8, Shabanul Muazzam. 9, Ramadanul Mubarak. 10, Shawwalul Mukarram. 11, Dhul Qa'dah. 12, Dhul Hajjah.